Hi guys, my name is Anushree.
My name is Agrim.
And we are from SISMIXBRO. And today we're making Oobleck.
We already made it.
What we need for this is cornstarch. We have it right here. We need 1 cup of that, and we need some water. And if you want, you could add food coloring. So first, you need to get a cup of water.
And it's liquid and solid. When you like squish it together, and when you leave it, it's like liquid. It's like very runny.
Okay, and then after you put food coloring in your water, which we have right here, you need your cup of cornstarch. Then you pour your cornstarch in the bowl that you have. Then you need to put the water slowly until it's a little hard to the touch. Once it's hard, stop. Once it's hard, you take it in your hands. And if it's a little bit too runny with the water, you could add a little bit more cornstarch. And then once your oobleck is done, take it out in your hands. It feels like a solid, right? But if you leave it,
then it's liquid.
It turns into a liquid. So it's both. It's a liquid and a solid. That's interesting.
Oh.
And that's cool. So we'll see y'all next time. Goodbye, and like and subscribe.